Here's 2 things you can count on. The sun is going to rise, and a man is going to spend money on sex. If it helps him get sex, get more sex, side sex or surprise sex, new sex, repeat sex, even just being around sex, better believe he's going to buy it. Before online pharmacies and generic Viagra was a thing, I operated a secret, not so secret business that sold men the ability of having better sex through male performance enhancements.
He takes something called Macava, pulls up this cover bit.
You can find them online, in sex shops and in the gas stations, even though they contain ingredients that can only be prescribed by a doctor. I'll share my story about this underground business, how I got involved, and what happens if you get caught. The sex toy business is probably the most in-your-face, widespread, under-the-radar operations out there. They're probably the only product sold in stores that's illegal from the time that they import them all the way up until the time it's sold in the stores. And around 5:30, somebody's watching me. My paranoia was just out of control, my heart pounding out of my chest. And as I'm looking at my phone, I see a shadow run across the window. And I have my phone in my hand, and it starts going off. And I look at it, it's 6 o'clock on the dot. Every camera alarm triggered on the house at that time, 6 o'clock on the dot. And I get up to look out the window to look outside, and I heard a man, boom, boom, boom. He's pounding at the front door, yelling my name. And my paranoia just went right into rage, and I'm running to the front. I look out the peephole, and it's a line of agents, and they look like they got guns. So I opened the door up. I saw a man with a vest that said U.S.